Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied accounts on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve denied accounts on Snapchat, denied account issues on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter or we click on the window or to the app of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.